not many in the UK, but they are a good little tractor. Good bit of fun, that is. We got a young man who's wedged in his little crawler there. It's a bit tight in there, isn't it, for you? A bit dodgy driving it. Oh, found a gear. Is this your new acquisition or just one you've had for a long time? So these little crawlers would have been used a lot on market gardens, allotments and stuff. There was various array of ploughs and cultivators that were attached on the back. Yeah, nice. Now we've got a chap here with his nice Series 2 Marshall clanging away. Bit of a